Let's now look at the features of the XR1NX. Its oversized digits and intuitive icons make it very easy to check your status while diving, while the color-coded bar graphs quickly grab your attention. While diving, you can view additional information. The XR1NX can be programmed to turn on as soon as you enter the water, and carefully guide you during your dive with its unique depth-dependent ascent rate indicator. Running out of battery during a dive trip? Not a problem. With the XR1NX, you can change the batteries yourself. Diving at altitude? Not a problem. The XR1NX will adjust its algorithm based on the altitude you're diving. Want to compare your dive profile with your buddy? You can do that by accessing the logbook integrated into the XR1NX. Last but not least, you can program various features of the XR1NX, and we will review those in detail later in this class. Press Next at the bottom of the screen.